Hi guys, I am so sorry about this horrifying, this is just this is just my natural hair texture. Anyways, hi guys, how are you doing today? Today is not a good beautiful day. मेरी light खराब हो गई है, तो अब हम उसका कुछ नहीं कर सकते. This is gonna be temporary lighting situation for us here, so please cope up with that. This is Aishwarya, by the way, so hi. So we are gonna do what we do best here, which is coloring my hair. That's why मैंने आज कोई setting वेटिंग नहीं की. So today I'm gonna do a very out there color and मुझे नहीं पता यार, मुझे नहीं पता if this is crazy idea or what, but I'm doing it because I am bored. I'm bored with this look and it is done and set and it's been quite a while that we have it and it's time to move on. Someone pray for me. You right there, just pray for me, please. This is a picture right here. This is my inspiration. So this is the color that I'm going to be using today. This is from Streaks again. And guess what? I went full-fledged this time because हमेशा हम ना वो ले लेते हैं Streaks का वो box वाला. इसमें जो bleach होता है वो इतना कम होता है that I always end up doing this much that much. इस दफ़ा मैंने खुद के लिए बिल्कुल मर्सी नहीं रखी हुई है, ठीक है? So today I got, look at this. This is the size of developer and bleach. This is 30 volume and this is the blonder powder. तो मैंने इसलिए इसको लिया है because जैसे pictures दिखाई दी है मैंने, I'm gonna go full fledged all over like पूरी तरह purple tinted hair. It says I have to use this in 1:2 ratio. Guys, so the paste is done. I don't know, I feel like it is a good consistency. Now we're gonna start and do it fast. Let's start. Now just for you to understand, so what I'm gonna be doing is मैं नीचे की तरफ नहीं करूँगी, सिर्फ ऊपर की तरफ लगाऊंगी. You'll know the techniques that I follow. I just break my ends like this. एक solid line ना हो ताकि. All I'm hoping for is it does go lighter instead of going warmer because of the brown color that I had. I have my mirror here, guys. Okay. Now what are we doing about the back? I'm gonna skip few parts. I want some portion to be lighter, some portion to be darker. तो level change करने के लिए जितने देर जो ज़्यादा रहेगा वो ज़्यादा light होगा, जितनी देर जो कम रहेगा वो कम होगा. जिन sections को मुझे कम रखना है, which is gonna be random places, just to give shading. So it's just in my mind. I cannot explain it to you. जिन्हें मुझे कम shade रखना है, उनको मैं end में करूँगी ताकि उनको कम time मिले process होने के लिए. So let's go and fast forward. Now I'm gonna put teeny tiny bits all over my hair first because I want very vibrant shades in very smaller sections. And I know the blue is just gonna go mint blue. जैसे ये वाला बाल इसके ऊपर ही फॉल होगा और ये हम लाइटर रख रहे हैं तो I'm gonna not do this lighter. I'm gonna do the next one, kind of like creating a dimension. So I'm just gonna do this all over and see you for the next step. Okay guys, I look horrible, I know that. So the first portion is almost done and I have few lighter here. I don't know what I'm doing, I'm just going with it. This is gonna be very light, super light. It's already processed a little bit. So the next one is gonna be a bit more wider chunks. Let's just go fast because I'm super slow. I should be doing this faster. Now I'm actually freaking out. I think this is gonna be a disaster. ऊपर करूँगी, अंदर की तरफ नहीं करूँगी और किसी में अंदर करूँगी, ऊपर नहीं करूँगी. I'm tired. I think I'm done with the second sectioning. Now I'm gonna wait for like 5 minutes and then start few parts which I left here and there. उन पे मैं bleach लगाऊंगी. सबसे कम मिलेगा उसे time to process and it will be more brownish, lighter brown. तो उसके ऊपर obviously purple will not lift better. So 3 level हो जाएंगे मेरे पास lightness के, जिससे थोड़ी बहुत dimension आएगी. That is in my mind. I don't know what will happen and I'm just done. This is a mess right now. Without sectioning, I freak out. And अब वो sectioning नहीं कर सकती हूँ मैं. Okay guys, so I think I'm officially done with bleaching my hair. I'll see you guys after washing my hair and air drying it. Okay, so we have this. Oh my god. I don't have any makeup on, so I look weird, but थोड़ी सी लिपस्टिक लगा दी बस. So this is what we have. So देखो कलर इस तरह का निकल के आया है, ठीक है, जैसा मुझे चाहिए था. You know, some portions lighter, some darker. जो मैंने बोला था ना वो brown वाला, वो हुआ ही है. Next procedure is nothing. I just have to put purple on बिना कुछ सोचे. This is Streaks Violet shade. Ooh, pretty packaging. It's literally really dark. Okay guys, so I am officially done. Let's hope for the best. I'll see you guys after I wash it, style it and all that. Bye. Are you guys ready? Hi guys. Oh my god. Do you see how beautiful that is? I'm not gonna lie, I am in love. Come on guys, do you see that? 1 minute, can you even see me? I don't know if the lighting is too much because like I told you that my light broke, but I guess if my hair is visible, that's good. I am looking at myself right here. Doesn't mean I am self-obsessed. It means I am just admiring myself. Okay, this is self-love. वो जो मेरा प्लान था वो पूरा सक्सेसफुल हो गया ऑफ हैविंग डिफरेंट शेड्स ऑल ओवर. मैंने जब वो वायलेट कलर लगा दिया उसके बाद तो मैंने 1 और आधा घंटा रखने के बाद मैंने पहले पानी से वॉश किया और कंडीशनर लगाया और अच्छे से बाहर आ गई. फिर सीरम वीरम लगाया. देन इन द मॉर्निंग आई वॉश्ड इट विद शैम्पू और फिर वापस से बहुत सारा कंडीशनर लगाया और सीरम लगाया. एंड दिस इज इट. यू डोंट हैव टू वॉश इट 2 times. आई जस्ट डिड इट बिकॉज नेक्स्ट वॉश में ज्यादा अच्छा कलर दिख के आता है. आई हैव टू hide it from you guys for 2 days on Instagram. I don't know how will I do that because I literally just want to show you this. How do you like it? Let me know, okay? मुझे तो बड़ा ज़्यादा पसंद आया, ठीक है. आगे मेरे blue बाल थे, है ना? And then here also. So this came out as very vibrant purple. जो बीच में मैंने extra highlighted बाल रखे थे, that is giving this effect. Baki is dark. You know what? Experimenting is so much fun. I literally love this section right here. It's a little lighter than upar. So this is it guys. I was so bored with itne dinon se blue rakh rakhe, but now I am so excited to have this new look. We're gonna go forward with this hair coloring journey even further. I just hope this doesn't wash off बहुत जल्दी, but मुझे नहीं लगता कि ये रहेगा इतना ज़्यादा. If you want me to do a Q&A video on hair coloring, anything you want to know, etc etc, जैसे लास्ट दफ़ा किया था हमने, अगर करना है तो ज़रूर मुझे बताओ, मैं कर दूँगी, ठीक है. Put out all your questions in the description. क्या हो गया मुझे. Put out all the questions in the comment and I will answer that in a video. I will answer there also, but you know me, I try to answer all the questions, but I will still try to make a video, so don't be shy to ask me anything. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram and make sure you subscribe to this channel, and I shall see you next time. Next is gonna be cute accessories and western haul from Meesho, and it's gonna be fun. I shall see you next time. Until then, a lot of kisses and love. Bye guys.